Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by signing into GitHub so you can view your precise account page. Make sure you use the account that hosts the profile you need. Once signed in, click your avatar at the top right and select your profile to load the page. If you don't remember the exact username, check your account settings or recent activity to confirm it. These quick checks prevent searching for the wrong account. Now you should see the profile header and username clearly displayed at the top. Once on the profile page, focus on the browser address bar. The full profile URL appears there as github.com/username. You copy it directly. Use Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac, or right-click and choose Copy. If you navigate to a repository, click the profile name near the repo owner to return to the user page and reconfirm the address. Make sure the username is correct. Copy it from the address bar rather than typing to avoid typos or casing confusion. You finish by pasting the URL into a new tab to verify it loads the intended profile. Doing this confirms there are no hidden redirects or errors. If you plan to share publicly, open a private window and paste the link to ensure others can see it. If the page doesn't load, check whether the account was renamed, made private, or you copied a repo URL instead of the user URL. If problems persist, sign out and view the profile as a public visitor to diagnose visibility issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.